whom we walk and who bears the spirits of our ancestors.
Yeah, big time.
As we launch this new learning journey, we want to do it in a good way. Toronto, Dungando, also known as the meeting place or where the trees meet the water, is the traditional territory of the Huron-Wendat, Mississauga New Credit, Haudenosaunee, people of the Longhouse, and the Anishinaabe peoples, and we want to thank them. We want to thank them that we are here on this land, and we want to acknowledge their rights as the caretakers of this land. In hip-hop, the DJ and the beat is considered the root. The beat or the drum is the root to all indigenous cultures. Our words for people, mother, earth, and drum have the same root words. This means that when we talk about the drum, we are talking about our mother, the earth. And when we hear the drum beat, we are hearing the heartbeat of our mother, the earth. I despise the word Aboriginal. I'm not abhorrent to my Aboriginality, to my origination, germination, the gestation of my nations and my roots. Like hip-hop, my knowledge of self is the truth. Aerodynamically directed, stealthily uncouth. The meeting place is the original cipher, which settlers are still unable to decipher. Trading beats, battling warrior motions within our feet, pictographic landscaping, mastering the ceremony of oral exsudating. Syllables breaking bone, I wrote your existence in embers, so ancient. They would only rise from your ashes. Stories scribed in the hard nucleus of volcanoes. You speak to souls unearthed and free.